The next Manhattan bound L3 is now arriving. Please stand waiting
I literally left the hearth of my house to get some iced coffee in this cold. I know I can't complain. Angela, I know you're colder, but it's cold. This is literally my favorite patisserie. Oh, it's so cold, I can't speak. Patisserie shop. Look at this. Oh my god. Le Petit Chaud. No, I just want coffee. Bye. Hey Art Fam, welcome back to the Underground Part 2 Self-Portrait. Have you started yours? Don't make a big deal about it. Just take a selfie, print it out at home, and just draw on it, color on it. I think it's such a great exercise in kind of looking at a real mirror, right? Like, we have mirrors at home, but those lie. When we seek out reflection, those are the real mirrors. So notice that I'm changing the direction so it makes sense in my composition. You don't have to follow something just because that's the way it is. You have all reign, all control at all times. Remember that. And the snake is like, go for it, buddy. You gotta pretend the world talks to you like that, with tenderness and kindness, right? Because otherwise, what are you doing? And what was supposed to happen absolutely happened, right? I started doing something very simple and just jumped into it. And as I was doing it, things emerged, right? Just like in Collage, I was like, oh, this reminds me of The Lord of the Flies. What's the story behind The Lord of the Flies? I went to go see that scary movie. How does that play into this? And oh my God, it's me emerging from the jungle, you know, like yearning for my serpent energy, right? And talking about the tree of life. Take a look at your self-portrait. I hope you took the time to do it. And listen, you don't have to share it with us, even though you know this is a safe space, and we'll just find ways to celebrate you, even if you don't see them. Because it really is a great exercise to not use a mirror, but to use your mind as a mirror, right? And see where it takes you.